original title of Inglourious Basterds, it was not the Inglourious Basterds in the beginning. How you came up with the Inglourious Basterds?
Well, they called me for this war movie, the producer, and I read the script. I didn't like, of course, as usual, and I suppose and asked to the producer to do reform and rewrite and everything, and then we arrived in the script that I liked, and we decided the actors. There are several American actors coming, and the moment that I like most in my profession is the moment when you read the script with the actor all together and reading, and wait for the reaction of each one. Maybe sometimes there is one, but this line, my character, is impossible to say this because my mother, my father, my cousin, all the reason that the actor is thinking about his character. But this is something that gives me the chance to move and to change the story too. So I waiting for the moment that we discuss with all the actor, and then I write again the script in the way that I'm convinced, because that important is why. If the actor says, I say this, why? And I have said because and all my reasons. But if the reason of the actor that explain why he doesn't like that that line, are convincing me that is right, so I change. The important word is why and because. Why and because. And with this, and when I was discussing everything, as I explained all of them, that this is a war movie. You are not a soldier because you were in jail, you a murderer, you are a thief, all of you are inglorious bastards. So Fred Williams said, hey man, this is the title. It's a born title.
With a Cuban cigar in his.
Yeah, Cuban cigars.
I guess he sleeps with it. You said that you never wanted to discover the way you shot the scene with Fabio Testi in a car in the big racket. Can you tell us now the real truth?
Well,
after all those years of lying to people.
Because I have a magazine there, all about my career, and it's Notturno the name, and I drew and I did for them my storyboard of that. Because you will see the movies. There's a bunch of bastards are throwing the car of Fabio from a hill down there. So you see the car rolling. And I did first the scene, and then in the rest of the day and the shooting in the same place, I thought that I need to see him inside rolling it. You never saw it, who put the camera with the actor inside of the car, and the car is falling down. So I there is a big circle, an iron circle in this abandoned manufactory. And there are several of these circles. So I called the special effect guys. You can put one of this in this position and the other one and fix the two like a big wheel. Yes, sure. And in the center you can fix part of the car without engine, without the back, just the center of the car, and fix on the center of this. Yes, sure, do it. And they said, couple of days? No, 1 day. Okay, you did. And as soon I fix the car in the center, and there is a big planet there, so just throw it and push and start to move, and I put the stunt guy inside just to prove, and the camera in front of the wheel, and the camera and the profile, And in this movement, he was doing like this, you know, falling in the roof, in the back, and everything is falling in his face in the movement. It was fantastic. It was really, but if someone has the DVD of my big racket and watch that particular scene, you will see a hand. Suddenly there is a hand there, one of us that was pushing this wheel, and it's fantastic because when I explained to I don't remember when to someone, and he fixed that shot and show it. This is true. What they do? Look at these hands. But it was simple. But from that moment, they are asking me. They are colleagues that organize a dinner, a lunch just with me, and suddenly at the end, the drink. Oh, Enzo, in which way you did? We asked to Munich. And the manufacturer of iron, a big, unbelievable, and I start to invent a lot of things. And then they came the big camion, the big truck to bring from Munich to Rome. They destroy a bridge because it doesn't. I invent a lot of things, and then I say, and you wanted that I explain to you the way that I invent. Forget it.